This is the Prelude with the carbon fiber hood. Got it off eBay. It's a 5-speed manual, 1999. How they say, you know, it's the interior. It's pretty clean for a car from '99, honestly. You know, it's not too bad. Oh, that's all the water. Just adding weight to the car. DC headers, we added ourselves. Wonder how that water got in.
Probably when you were sanding it.
Yeah, maybe. Even I wish I was. The crash beam's a little bent. It's the infamous bumper sag, as I've been reading. Apparently it's very common with these cars, the bumper sag, but the engine's nice. An H22A4, you know, standard US 2.2 liter VTEC. It's kind of dirty right now, but as of right now, it's just a little project. Definitely need to fix the crash beam. This was bent. I had to bend this out. It's still kind of bent inwards, but authentic Vis Racing. This guy wants to be in the shot. Paint's a little messed up. Kind of want to clean up the paint. This bumper's pretty fucked, actually. You know, aside from being extremely dirty, all that clear coat's off, and just some spidering from the paint. Might have to sand that down. I actually didn't notice that the first time. Jesus, this might be worse than I thought. Oh well, just a project, you know, learn some things. But so far so good. Here it is.